Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. This is lesson 1 of Arduino course for complete beginners. This video will focus on theory that you should must know before even starting Arduino. Don't worry, there will be only 1 or 2 theory videos. And there is only one aim for making this course, that is increasing literacy rate of robotics in whole world. So subscribe this channel and turn on bell so that we can increase robotics literacy together. Now in this video we will see two things. First, what is Arduino, and second, why Arduino, means why we should use Arduino. So basically Arduino can be divided into two parts, hardwares and softwares. Hardwares means Arduino boards. Basically you can connect sensors to Arduino boards and control it. For example, you can connect a DC motor with Arduino for controlling its speed. And software means Arduino IDE, where you actually writes the code. For example, you write that your fan will run on 50% of its full speed. So in this way, hardware and software works together. First we write code and then upload it to the hardware, that is Arduino board. And this hardware and software are open source, means we can use Arduino without taking permission from Arduino company, and we can share our own projects. For example, I can make videos on Arduino and publish it on YouTube. And Arduino company will not ask me for any money, or they will take down my video, because it's open source. I can make videos on it, I can make projects on anything. Even you can do the same. Now this is the official definition of Arduino by Arduino company. Okay, let me read this. Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs, light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a Twitter message, and turn it into an output, activating a motor, turning on an LED, publishing something online. You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. To do so, you use the Arduino programming language based on wiring and the Arduino software IDE based on processing.
And yeah, we just discussed about it that we connect sensors to Arduino board and upload code to it by Arduino IDE. Now let's discuss some technical details about Arduino. First of all Arduino boards have a Atmega series of microcontroller, and it is the heart and brain of every Arduino board. For example, Arduino Uno is based on Atmega 328 microcontrollers. Now, all Arduino boards have following things: some input and output pins for connecting sensors and actuators, and they also have some processing power for arithmetical and logical operation, or simply we can say that for calculation of data gathered by sensors, and some storage for storing data that is calculated and needed to be sent to output devices. And here we complete first part of this video. Now we'll see why we use Arduino. So we use Arduino because it is easy to use. Well, in upcoming videos you will understand that why. And lots of examples are already there in Arduino IDE, or people like me makes videos on it and make it easy to learn Arduino programming. And also it's very easy to connect sensors to Arduino boards, and there is huge number of Arduino compatible sensors that are available in market. And most relaxing point is that example codes for these sensors are also available for free. And yeah, that's why we call it open source. Now what you can do with Arduino? Just connecting LEDs and playing with them? Well, no. Actually you can make projects or systems for solving a real life problem. And basically this is what I do. And you can also make scientific equipments, automation systems, etc. with Arduino. To be honest, you can achieve anything using Arduino. You just need to think about it. And basically there are more than thousands of unique projects are available on internet, and you can also add yours in it. And for that you should know the basics of Arduino. And with this course, there I am going to help you. So how was this video, guys? So I think you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, give your feedback in comment section, turn on bell for getting notification for upcoming videos, and share this video with school students and engineering students and with your friends. And soon I will be back with next video. Bye guys.